Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to convert multiple picture PNG to JPG in Photopea software. So let's started. At first, open your Photopea software. Now you can see convert multiple picture PNG to JPG. Now going to the file menu option, then click. Now click from open and place option. Now we find our picture. Now select from multiple picture. Now click for open. Now wait for some moment. Now you can see loading the page. Then you show open multiple picture in side by side. And select from other picture and resize the side. Now you can see, then we show the multiple picture in the PNG picture and convert the JPG. Now I'm going to the again file menu option, then click. Now click from export as option. Now select from JPG option. Now we show the name in the project name and format. Now choose from JPG format. Now click from save option. That it's. Now open the picture. That test. That it's. Now you can see convert multiple picture PNG image to JPG is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.